So if you saw the service to this, it was a resurrection from a scrap radio. We've been passed on to it for scrap. It came with no knobs at all, but I've got a couple of scrap boards and one had got the 4 knobs on. We haven't got that knob. So there you go, Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'm ready.
Roger that, just get the camera on and we'll be off.
Roger on that, and I am now with the extension speaker connected.
Yep, roger that. Well, I'll let you know in a second when we're ready to go.
This is a Manor Kestrel, uses the Serpent UK
Right,
4000 board. Roger, and I'm yeah, I'm ready. That's it. Yes, of course I am.
And we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so going up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing place and passing a rather empty doggy daycare.
Roger on that, all fine business.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
And passing a rather empty doggy daycare.
Roger on that.
Service station 133.9 and 141.9.
Roger on that, they're actually open.
Yep, until it's sunny.
I'd be curious what the radio is, because I like the audio on it.
It's pretty punchy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, didn't get held up.
Negative. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger, and it's got a Roger beep, but it's not an Amstrad Roger beep.
No, it's not an Amstrad Roger bleep. Well, there's one or two other sets which could have a switchable Roger bleep. Could be a, could come to me, Eurosonic, but it isn't. It is a Manor Kestrel, which uses the same chassis as the Serpent UK 4000, the Planet 2000, and the LTO communicator NI440DX over.
Roger, you're not supposed to tell me yet, and I'll be doing the round the corner bit shortly, so don't interrupt.
Oh, there is water in there.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, and I've got you loud and clear. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. You got Mark with you. He invented the phrase Scratchy Corner, G7NDJ, and Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, and I've got you loud and clear. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. You got Mark with you. He invented the phrase Scratchy Corner, G7NDJ, and
as I just let the cat out the bag, I am on a Manor Kestrel from 1981 over.
Roger that. And if you heard Mark say there's water in it, referring to Scratchy Corner Pond, which you didn't think had water in it, but you saw it this time.
I'll just tell you what power it's doing when I look it up. 3.7 watts.
Punchy audio.
Right, same as the Amstrad then.
Yeah.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
What you got to get over Wilford Level Crossing.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Manor Kestrel from 1981 using a standard replacement microphone. Ready is doing 3.7 watts. And we're going to pop it on low power, which I've set to 400 milliwatts. 5432. We are on low power, 400 milliwatts. Now go back to full power. And there we are back on full power, drawing 1.1 amps over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Low power, it's very noisy and difficult to read, but not, you know, you could tell it was you.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yep, as usual, 136.9 and 142.7.
Roger, that was fine, thank you very much. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Alpha, Mr. Chippie. Bueno Alpha, going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yeah, as usual, 136.9 and 142.7.
Roger, and that worked fine, thank you very much. 1010.
Roger that, better.
Okay, we'll go through to our base station and see what that sounds like on our Midlands 76900.
Tango 21 testing the Manor Kestrel into our Midlands 76900 base station using a standard replacement mic. So pop it on low power. There we go on low power, 400 milliwatts. There we are back on full power, which is 3.7 watts on this radio. So we've got quite a few new sets to do, or different sets to do. I think we've got a NATO 40 in the box, and we've got a DNT, we've got a Amstrad, we've got a few others. Thanks for watching.